Hi guys, I just thought I'd do a short video before I head out. I'm going to the Cosford air show as I mentioned in my last video, so check that out before the video or after. It's like 6:30 in the morning, well probably 7ish in the morning now. We woke up pretty early so we can get there earlier and enjoy the day. It's really sunny outside. It said it was meant to be raining today, but we were lucky to just have really nice weather, so hopefully today will be a really good one, and I hope you enjoy the video as much as I will enjoy my day at Cosford. So here we go then. Hello guys.
Hello guys!
We're on the way now. We're on the way to Cosford now.
Cosford!
We've got my mother as the driver.
I'm the driver.
We got passengers in the back.
Say hello passengers.
Say hello passengers. Say hello. Sam. No. It's vinegar. So we got passengers in the back.
Weird passengers in the back.
We're passengers in the back. Hitchhikers. We're hitchhikers.
We picked them up 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, we picked them up 10 minutes ago. And not meant to even be with us, you know. And so we're on the way. It takes an hour to get there. So there's an awful sound on the car, which is really frightening. And our tyre's broken on one side, which isn't very good. So if we get stranded, we know why.
Britannia and Europe and reaching point 3. The phone number is available at the information point or it's also in the video program.
I'm just heading to the attractions bit with my mum and my sister. And her and her. Yes. And we're gonna go around the stalls and we're going to look at the aeroplanes, and yeah, and the aeroplanes keep coming out when I take put my phone back in my bag, which is really horrible and ironic. We can film the birds. There won't be a plane, but you know, it'd be something sight to watch. But yeah, still, the planes keep going in and record. I don't know what these planes are. What these planes? What's she say? A Grob 15CE. Pretty cool. I just want to film all the planes. Really want one of those purple elephants. I'm being serious. So adorable. I probably wouldn't win though one, but they look so adorable. We're following the marching men. And women. And women. We just saw on the side of the street.
Look how high that is. I'll take that.
Half an hour, look how big that is.
I'll take that.
We changed our minds. We wasn't going to go in the big one, the little one, sorry, and then we're going in the big one. You can see the bunker behind me, can't you? But we're going in the big one. somebody at the
back
place.
there?
Yeah.
Katie and Sam was there.
Video
That was
you.
weird. Is this Katie? No.
Yeah,
Who is
had an ominous phone call, but I realised I haven't saved my cousin's phone number on my thing. I don't know who it was. I haven't got him saved as on my contacts. But wow, there's so many planes in here.
Well?
Yes, does it? I think we're gonna head back now because the air show's happening and we're tired and we're hungry. that face is the face of a hungry person. Yeah, so we're going to come back and revisit this, hopefully.
But it looks to me as though they have a little problem with the main gear going up. But that just interfere with
There's smoke coming out of the aircraft, so we expect that to be followed by 8 people. I gather you're here today. Your daughter Karen has bought you tickets to the show. So there goes Steve and Freya, followed by Al and Nikita. Meanwhile, Steve Maxwell-Burney is completing a figure of 8 maneuver there. You don't very often see a whole figure of 8.
the triplane was needed to compose as well there. And that topper triplane was very
much of that, but it's underneath the tail. So this would be where the hoses stream out with the probes on the end, and the fighter aircraft plug into them. And there she is, the Royal Air Force Voyager.
as well for that when the Force Aerobatic team, the Winners! Arriving there in the battle, the jets were around 20 feet apart at 400 miles an hour. You see them now collapse to around 6 to 8 feet apart as they're led off into a loop where it's 8 and 9 tuck-ins to form a short diamond formation. Leading them into the loop is Red 1, the team's leader, squadron leader Jim Turner. It's his third and final year as team leader. He's a former Jaguar pilot. He's very experienced in the display world, having displayed the Jaguar, spent 3 years previously in the Red Arrows, and spent 3 years as the official advisor to the Royal Find the majority of our formation odd-numbered pilots on the left-hand side and the even-numbered pilot. This is Red 9. Get your cameras ready now as Red 9 performs the Goose.
So I just come back from Cosford. I had a really good day. I'm really tired though. I feel like I'm going to fall asleep any minute. So I thought I'd just do an ending little video just so I've done something. And I wanted to show you the stuff I got from Cosford. I've got this lovely hand decorated bracelet. Quite nice. I also got, well, it's not really anything to do with, but I got this massive cake and it's so awesome and it's got truffles on it and it looks so good. I am not going to eat it now, I'm just full, but yeah, it smells really good. We also got a free booklet about the certain act on the Cosford. So we got the parachuters, which I did actually record, I think. Don't know if you saw any of them, but you know. But yeah, it just shows you some of the stuff about the thing and what planes they do and you know all that stuff. So I don't know whether you can actually purchase these or anywhere, but you know, if you come next year, you'll get to have one, I guess. Don't know if it'll be saying next year, but you know. Oh, this is from 2013. This is so it's pretty cool. I also oh god, I think it's fallen off one. So oh sorry, I just got my nose. I got this Red Arrows glider, which it's only 50p, so I thought it was quite cheap. And I'm a big kid, but I thought I'd get it because it's something to remind me by. So you can see if I can land it without breaking it. Okay. It makes it more harder. No. Wait, one more time. Let's see if you can get this. I don't know whether you will. Let's just do that.